What up, Bless fam? I'm here picking up 2 more machines at MX ATV, man. So if you want the stuff done right, come holler at my boy MX ATV, man, in Conroe, right off of 1314, in the same parking lot with Thunder Gun Range. And tell him your boy Mr. Lucky sent you, you heard? For real, for real. What up, Bless fam? It's nothing special going on today. I just want to bring this thing out here for the first time since I got it repaired and see how she ride, you know what I'm saying? Let's go.
free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way.
All right, guys, I gotta show y'all this. I thought we weren't gonna have no footage for the week. If you can see this little spot right here, that's where I had one of the cameras mounted, and that little horrible glue that wasn't 3M, I lost one of my cameras. Then as I'm riding, I said, oh well, I got a second camera. So I mounted it up here. And this is the same little bull crap that peeled off that caused me to lose the second camera. So I rode around for about 30, 45 minutes looking for it. Finally, I gave up. It's getting dark. You know, the sun's getting ready to set. So I said, I'm done. I'm taking it in. I'm getting ready to wash it, and guess what I find? God is good. So 1 out of 2 ain't bad. 1 out of 2 ain't bad. So we're going to use this footage and get what we can. You know what I'm talking about? It's your boy, Mr. Lucky, and I am out.
lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big gold broom when I skate off.
Like for real, for real.
For real, for real.